Welcome back, dear students. Now we are going to begin with the topic friction is a necessary evil. Friction plays an important role in our daily life. In some cases, friction is useful and hence necessary, while in other cases it is harmful and hence an evil. Now let us understand why friction is necessary or what are the advantages of friction. First, friction helps us to walk. When we walk, we push the ground with our feet. The friction pushes in the opposite direction and we move forward. If friction between ground and our feet was absent, it would not be possible to walk. That is why when we try to walk on a wet floor, we tend to slip because the water reduces the friction between our foot and the floor. Similarly, if we step on a banana peel, we will slip because the banana peel is smooth and reduces friction. Second, friction helps in the movement of vehicles. If there is no friction, the wheels of a car or cycle will go on spinning at the same place and will not move forward at all. If the road is slippery, that is less friction, the wheels lose grip and the vehicle may skid and overturn. To avoid slipping and skidding, grooves are made in tires to increase friction. Third, spiked shoes for better grip. Spikes are provided in the shoes of players and athletes to increase friction and to have better grip on the ground and prevent them from slipping. Fourth, friction helps us to write. When we write with a pencil, friction with paper rubs off carbon particles from the pencil lead which stick to the paper and leave black marks on paper, which we see as our writing on paper. Similarly, when we write with a pen, the particles of ink rub off from the pen's refill due to friction with paper and stick on the paper and leave marks of writing on paper. Even when the teacher starts to write on the blackboard with a chalk, the rough surface of blackboard rubs off some chalk particles which stick to the blackboard and appear as writing on the blackboard. So we can say, without friction, writing with a pen, chalk or a pencil is not possible.